right, you guys, we are leaving the general store up here. And we'll see if we can't get some video. My 360 with Jason and Rebecca. Let's see how that'll work out. We just had a fella, we just got through talking about going off his edge right here. Guy went off right there and turned his bike over.
Continue on US 129.
That's why I always come out here. And that way I don't have to worry about it.
It's Slappy's a bit here. On three, Slappy adventure. 1, 2, 3. Slappy adventure.
We're gonna ease on across through here, silver bullet. I'm back on the dragon, buddy. We just gonna pit it around. I ain't gonna get too aggressive with it. I don't know though. I don't have little Egypt in front of me. I might be able to put this thing and try out this suspension. I might be able to try this suspension out a little bit now. Running behind Jason and Rebecca back there a little bit. I put that thing to the test now. I put it to the test through that doggone Skyway. Doggone, I had it getting it, you hear me? And I can tell the difference, I really can. Because I'm not scraping. They having an adventure bike festival down here by my way. March Moto, something other like that. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it. But there's a lot of them up here. Good day. I mean a good day. Jason and Rebecca, they was ready to go this first thing in the morning. Got a little rain on them. That ain't gonna stop no real bikers. They came on, I was ready. Got my nap in, got up, and we made it happen. Just got us a damn sandwich over there at the Dragon Depot. And now we on the tail of the dragon. Getting after y'all. Uh-oh. It's getting ready to rain. Let me get off at damn Dragon Depot. Let me get off at Dragon. I done had a few raindrops hit me in my mouth. Not up here. I don't want to get wet up here. I gotta get off of it. Gotta get off of it, Sherman. I want off of it. I don't want to get wet up here. Man, I done been wet up here so much. You gotta do what you gotta do, but I don't want to get wet there, all jokes aside, but if it rains, it just have to rain on me. Let it rain on me. Ugh. Might end up catching that guy that dropped that bike down. They was on Chehalia Skyway. They was moving pretty slow then. You know, you tell people they shouldn't be up here, but you know, right, do what you can do, but you could tell the skill level wasn't real good and his feet wasn't touching the ground. You know, sometimes you just gotta ask questions when you're new to the area. And I should have said something to him. Hey, look, you guys, when you leave, you go out this way, take the long way around. Oh, Lord, there's some big old drops. Here you go, y'all. We finna get wet. We finna get wet on the damn tail. My Lord. My Lord. We're about to get wet on the tail now. There go a nice switchback. Nice switchback. Come on. Hook him, slap it. Wonder if Kid Boy gonna be out here in the rain. Uh-oh. You gonna do us a favor and get over. Appreciate it. Give him a little toot toot. A little toot toot. You see I'm in my fighting stance, don't you? I'm in the fighting position. We've had this cloudy look all day. When I got up to get ready, it started raining. And I was like, damn, it's finna rain this out. Had to pose for him, y'all. Had to pose for him. Maybe we can outrun the rain. Come on, baby, hook it. Ugh. Woo, I had to hold it. I had to hold it. Boots and jeans. I had to hold it. Come on, baby. Come on, bro. Ah, power through it. There you go, baby. There you go. Like I told Little E to put that thing in gear and leave it alone. Put all that damn changing gears and carryings on. Find you a nice little sweet spot. Put it in there and let it alone. Got a dip up here, y'all. Dip, baby, dip. Eesh. Here we go. Eesh. Here we go. Eesh. Look at all them adventure bikes. I told you. All them adventure bikes up here. A lot of adventure bikes up here. They got a hell of a rally fitting to go down with them, man. I might try to go down there and check it out. Bunch of BMWs, KTMs. Come on, baby, hook it. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Come on, Slappy. You got it, baby. Woo! Stay in your lane, BMW now, shit. I'm about to get my ruler out and slap you across your damn wrist. Stay in your lane. Did my GoPro go down? Switchback. Switchback. Here we go. Power through, baby. Look through the curve, Boots and James. I'm looking through the curve. Finding my damn lane. Rich, I follow my lane. 2 wheels for fun. Ooh. I about went in that one too hot. Michael James, Virginia. I about went in that one too hot. But I had time to recover. Ooh. You go on them switchbacks, turn your ass all the way around. Down there looking at your back pocket. Come on, hold it. Hold the line. Hold the line. Slappy getting the workout, man. I'm getting the workout out here. Uh-oh. He gonna let us? No, he ain't. Yeah. Is he? Is he gonna do it? I guess so. I can't give him a toot. Hold the line. Hold the line. Hold it, baby. Hold it, baby. Gotcha. I heard Jason scraping back there. Jason get down low. Ooh, come on, double dark side. Double dark side out here, y'all. I'm on the car tire knocking it down. I'm on the car tire on the F6B. Double dark. Double dark. Come on. Ooh, baby. I'm gonna need a massage after this one. I believe I'm going a little faster than I was with Little Egypt. Ain't no race though. All rules apply. You ride your own ride there going. That's what I'm trying to do. Woo! Little brakes, some brakes right here. Had to break it down. It's going in hot. Come on. What the? I'm outside, y'all. I had to turn that music off. I get that wrong music in my ear and I get daggone wild out this bad boy. I get some of that rap music or something like that. Make me want to come out here and doggone act stupid like I used to when I was a kid. I used to come out here when I was a kid, man. Well, I ain't gonna say kid, but you know, 17, 18, young adult. Been riding this out here a long time. We used to cut a fool out this bad boy. You hear me? Uh-oh, there goes some of that black rod. We used to act the fool out here now. Sometimes we wouldn't even come out here until doggone 10, 11 o'clock at night. Or we had the road to ourselves. And we ain't even had nothing like these headlights we got now. Shit, we had flashlights. Riding out here with some flashlights. Acting a donkey. We used to let them go. We called it let it go. We let people go on, give them about a minute to go on, and see if we can catch them before they got to the other end. Who want to go on? Let them go. Let them go. Give them a damn minute head start. Yeet! We coming to get you, baby. We gonna run you down. We gonna run you down. Switch back. Switch back ahead, baby. Switch back. Here we go. Uh-oh. Almost too hard. Recover. 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 Woo! Woo! we go. Come on now. Yeah, y'all. Yeah, y'all. Four o'clock. 4 o'clock. I'm glad I put my full face helmet on. I was debating on not doing it. I'm glad I did. I don't like my damn face getting hit with raindrops. So if you don't like it, put the gear on. GB said you got the gear, put the gear on. Put it on. Look out 1 mile. Ah, long country mile at that. Might be 1 mile, but it's a damn long country ass mile. With about daggone 50 curves in front of that mile, you hear me? But that's all right. We straighten these curves out. That's what us truck drivers call, we gonna straighten them curves out. Huh? We gonna straighten them out now. Come on, baby. Hook it. Hold it. Hold the line. Hold the line. Uh, Stay in your lane, Slappy. Boy, you sure be riding that dog on that 6B now, old boy. Yeah, stay in your lane. Come on. Come on. It's almost done. Come on, baby. You got it, Slappy. Here we go. I see the finish line. Yeah. And no, I ain't timing myself. And we definitely ain't racing. Just having fun. I'm just having fun with it. On the vlog, talking some schmiggity smiggities. Come on. Come on. I was wondering how long it was going to stay extended. It didn't last long, did it? Oh, yeah. I looked back, I said, damn, I don't see it. I hope it's still back. I said, Jason surely would have said something. I need to get some tape and make it stay out there. Daggone it. Well, we need to get off this damn mountain for that damn rain hitter. That still should be a pretty good shot, though. Man, that felt good. Yeah. Rougher? My Lord. I might have to. If you say it's rougher than this. Oh, what's my junk in here? Lord, I gotta get organized a little bit. I'm gonna take you up by the missing link. From there, y'all should go straight on. I just double back. Right, country miles. Let's get on off this thing. Let's get on off this thing. That's pretty much.
Phone connected.
That's pretty much the beginning of it. But to get to the beginning of it, you got to go through all this right here. I'm gonna end this video right here, you guys. A good day on the bike, and so far, I ain't got my panties soaking wet. Come on, I'm headed in.